We can drown on the way, it's alright.
I do not want to drown, actually.
I love drowning, it's my favorite esport.
I do not. I do not approve of this. I do not approve.
The biggest esport in the Nether is trying to swim in lava as long as you can.
Oh yeah, it is.
Oh, what are those? What's this? I don't know what this is. What is this?
Okay, hold on. This is what we call water in the overworld, okay?
I don't like water, it's wet.
Well, it's an interesting thing, I will say. Okay, and then...
Why do they think that sleeping is gonna work? We don't know what sleep is, guys. Come on.
We're insomniacs. Are you guys dumbass? Okay.
Can we both sit in the same boat?
Yeah, we can sit in the same boat. Yeah.
Epic. Go. Hold on, I'm gonna like move my camera back so I can see this. It's too bad that I can't just go F1.
It's a sad moment indeed.
Very sad.
Yeah. I just remembered I had to like freaking move my... Yeah.
Look, ice.
Yeah, that's called ice. That is indeed called ice.
Oh wait, I forgot I'm not supposed to know what that is.
No, you've seen it in ancient textbooks.
In ancient textbooks, I've never been to the surface before. Be like, what's an ocean? What's an ocean?
And then, like, I will teach you.
What's an ocean?
An ocean, it's pronounced ocean.
The chunks aren't loading anymore.
The chunks aren't loading.
The chunks aren't loading it. Maybe I should stop the rain.
Yeah, I'm okay.
We're in space.
We are in space.
The chunks aren't loading and we're just floating there, dude. This is amazing, dude.
I have to let it load.
Oh no. Your boat's freaking out, dude. If you go to my stream, it's just freaking out. And like, the paddles are just like moving like little flips. Like little flippers, like a fish.
Hold on, I can't see your stream exactly right now.
Oh.
No.
Can you look at it like through your phone or something? This is so dumb. Why are we in space? What is happening? What is happening to Minecraft? Why can we see the space through the folds of the universe? Are you sure this is the right chords?
Yes, I am.
And are you sure we can get back?
Yes, I am sure. I just need to let it load.